Hi, I'm Justin Roberts, and today we're going to make some homemade macaroni and cheese. I'm not going to use a box mix. I'm going to go ahead and make it from scratch. I'll post the recipe in the comments below. Thank you. Here are the ingredients that you will need for macaroni and cheese. A 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni, a quarter of a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and about 1/4 cup of Velveeta cheese. A little bit of cooking oil. Start boiling your water in the large saucepan. Fill about halfway full, and once it comes to a boil, go ahead and add the macaroni. In the small pan, you can start mixing the roux or the cheese sauce. I'll go over that later. Follow the directions on the box of the macaroni. It will tell you to add 4 quarts of water to the pot and bring that to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, go ahead and add the 16-ounce box of macaroni. Stir it occasionally as it boils to keep it from sticking. When the noodles are done boiling, drain them in a strainer in the sink. For the cheese sauce, I am going to use a half a stick of butter or 1/4 cup of butter. Once the butter is melted, go ahead and add the baking mix to it. And then go ahead and mix it with a whisk. Go ahead and add the cheese, the milk together. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once the cheese is dissolved, go ahead and mix it with the macaroni.